In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now. It's called Copysmith and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So let me jump into the homepage of Copysmith and show you exactly what they have to offer. Okay, so as you can see, this is the home screen of Copysmith.ai. And on the left hand side you can see multiple options like create, then we have files, then we have bulk copy, team, add-ons, and then expertise if you want to learn anything. So here as you can see there are multiple options here. So once you select e-commerce, that's product description, social media campaigns, landing pages, Amazon product description, Instagram product description, FAQ ideas, content expander. Once you go into the ads, social media captions, Facebook ads, ad headlines, then we have Google ads, Instagram ads. Then in the articles and blog section, that's blog title, content writer. Then we have blog intros, blog ideas, blog outlines, points expander. In the branding section, landing pages, SEO, meta tags. Then we have the ad headlines, listicles, content ideas, video description, growth ideas. Also we have the content rewriter, enhancer. So here as you can see, this is blog Kickstarter, content rewriter, product description. There are multiple options here. So I'll just click on blog Kickstarter, just click on create, enter your file name and click on continue. So here as you can see, you just have to mention the topic on which you want to write your blog, like how to lose weight fast, and click on start. So as you can see, you first have to choose the idea along with the intro. Here as you can see, how to lose weight fast, 10 tips. So you first have to select any of the content here and click on continue. So if you don't like anything, you can just click on generate more, so that will give you more outputs. So here as you can see, you have to select the outlines. So if you don't like anything, you can just click on generate more, so that will give you more outlines. As you can see, it has generated more outlines. So select any of the outlines from here, whichever you like, and click on continue. So once that is done, kickstart your blog. So on the left hand side you can see that's the outline. So once you click on continue to blog, so this is our final blog. As you can see, the heading, intros, then the outlines along with the paragraphs. So if you want to add more, just click on add more, so that will add additional paragraphs. So suppose if you want to copy this one output, you can just copy paste it here, or you can directly add this paragraph at the cursor. So suppose if you want to add more, so here as you can see, you'll get a few results here. So here as you can see, so few results more. So you just have to point the cursor there and you can directly add this paragraph at this cursor, so it will automatically add the paragraph. Also you can use the edit button here, so whether you want to make any characters bold, if you want to underline, you can use this text editor here. And once everything is done, you can directly copy it and paste it in your WordPress blog. Also you can integrate it with Zapier also. So everything looks fine. So here, as you can see, in the file section, you'll be able to access all the articles here which you have generated. So there you go guys, Copysmith is a really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Copysmith, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.